morning everybody. Okay, we have started our chapter cube and cube roots, and this is the time to see the practice exercises. In my last lecture I have solved so many practice exercises for you. You just solve same kind of the questions which are given in your book also, and practice again and again, see my videos again and again. Right now see in the same series where we have reached the fourth category type of question. What is the question? Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number which should be multiplied. Which should be multiplied. जिसको multiply करें to make the given number perfect cube. ताकि whatever the number which is given to me, it will become perfect cube. The things are very clear in our mind right now that both the numbers which are given to me in form of A and B, both are right now not perfect cube. They both are not perfect cube. And what number we should multiply with them so that they will become perfect cube? That is the question. So again see 5400. Again we have to go for the prime factorization. After the prime factorization only we will see what is the arrangement of the things, and according to that we will calculate. For example, 2 is coming 2 times, so we are knowing that we have to multiply one more 2 to make the triplets. Only we will see. Look here what I have to do. See one by one. 5400. First we have to go for the prime factorization. See here, 00 means even number, so I can consider 2. 2 2 ja 4, 1 4, 2 7 ja 14, 00. Again 2 I can take, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Again 1 remainder, 1 and 0, 10 means 2 5 ja 10, 0. 2 6 ja 12. Till I am getting the even number, I will take the help of 2. 2 6 ja 12, 1 5 15. So 2 7 ja 14. Again 1 0, 2 5 ja 10. Right now I can't consider 2. Why? Because this number is a odd number. Right now see, I can add the digits. 6 plus 7 plus 5. What is the sum? 7 6 13, 13 plus 5 18. So this is the divisible by 3. So I can consider 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 1 5, 3 5 ja 15. Again add the number 5 to 7, 7 to 9. Again coming in the table of 3. 3 7 ja 21, 1 5, 3 5 ja 15. 7 plus 5 again 12. So again I can consider 3. So see, 3 2 ja 6 and 1 5, 3 5 ja 15. And after that 25 we are knowing that it is the square of 5, so I can take 2 times 5. See the structure, and after looking at the structure what I can see here, 2 is completing the triplet, yes. 3 is also completing the triplet, yes. Both have completed their triplets, so there is no problem on behalf of 2 and on behalf of 3. But there is a problem on behalf of 5. Why? Because 5 is coming 2 times. It is not completing its triplet, and for completing its triplet what is the digit required to us? The digits which is required to us, it is 5. It is 5, and we have to multiply by 5. Right now see, 5400 we can write down 2 into 2 into 2, 2 times, sorry 3 times they are completing the triplet. 3 into 3 into 3 they are also completing the triplet. But right now see the 5 is not completing the triplet, so we will write down. Directly we are coming to know we have to multiply with the one more 5, and if we will multiply with the one more 5, then only it will complete its triplet, and whenever they will complete its triplet, so it will become the perfect cube number. Directly we will write down, we can see 2 and 3 are completing their triplets, but what 5 is not in the pair of 3. So directly answer we can write down, for making perfect cube we should multiply with 5. According to the requirement, we have to multiply. So 2 and 3, they are completing their triplet, but 5 is not completing the pair of 3. So for making the perfect cube, you should multiply with 5. Right now, see the case of 900. See the case of 900. So should I rub this? Yes. I am rubbing this, and 900 I am solving here. See 900. And right now I am not going to solve all the questions step by step. Only I will solve the things. What is the case? 2 I can take. 2 4 ja 8. 1 0 2 5 ja 0. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. 1 0 2 5 ja. 5 2 7 2 9. So I can take 3. 3 7 ja 21. 1 5 3 5 ja. Again 7 5 12. So 3 2 ja 6. 1 5 3 5 ja. Again 5. Again 5. See the structure. You can see 2 is also not completing the triplet. 3 is also not completing the triplet. 5 is also not completing the triplet. See here. 2 into 2 again it is coming 2 times. 3 into 3 it is also coming 2 times. And 5 into 5 it is also coming 2 times. Meaning is that for complete nothing is completing their triplet. I will write down 2, 3 and 5 are coming only 2 times. So for making perfect cube, actually I have to complete all the triplets. So for making the perfect cube, what number we should multiply? We should multiply with एक तो 2 है ना. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2. वाई? फॉर द कंप्लीटिंग द ट्रिपलेट ऑफ 2. अगेन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 फॉर कंप्लीटिंग द ट्रिपलेट ऑफ 3. अगेन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 फॉर कंप्लीटिंग द ट्रिपलेट ऑफ 5. So 2, 3 and 5, these all the numbers one time they should be multiplied. One time all the numbers 2, 3 and 5, all the numbers should be multiplied at least one times so that they can complete their triplet. And whenever they will complete their triplet, then only we can say whatever the number which will be formed, it will be the perfect cube number. So what should we write down? We should write down that what number we should multiply for making the perfect cube number. So for making the perfect cube number, we should multiply with 2 into 3 into 5. Answer will become 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. So 30 will become my answer. Okay. See here the next question. Question number 5. What is the question number 5? See here, I will solve here, no problem. Space is there to solve. Again, the same kind of the question is there. Find the smallest number which should be divided to make the given number perfect cube. Same thing, but the case is just opposite. In the previous case, the question was asked to me, what number we should multiply. Means we want to make the one more triplet, which is right now not making the triplet. We want to complete their triplet. But the case is just opposite here. Here what number we have to divide to make the perfect cube number. Right now see, again we have to go for the prime factorization, no doubt. So again we will take 2, 2 9 ja 18, 1 2, 2 6 ja 12. Again even number 2 4 ja 8, 1 remainder 1 6, 2 8 ja 16. Again even number, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Again even number 2 2 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. Again even number 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6. Lastly I am getting the 3, so 3 1 ja 3. So what is the structure of 192? 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? One triplet is complete. One more triplet is complete. You can see this is the complete triplet. 2 into 2 into 2. This is again the complete triplet. But 3 is coming only one time. 3 is coming only one time. So what is the case? What is the question demanding to me? Question is demanding to me what number I have to divide to make the perfect cube number. So you can see 2 is completing the triplet, again 2 is completing the triplet, so there is no objection from the both the two, but there is an objection in form of the 3. So if I am removing the 3, if I will remove 3 from here, so this is the perfect cube number. Yes. So for removing the 3 from here, which particular number I have to divide? I have to divide by 3. Then only 3 and 3 will be cancelling. and the given number will become the perfect cube number. So nothing is the case. I will write down only 3 is okay. 2 are completing the triplets. 2 are completing their 2 triplets. But 3 is coming one time. So directly we will come to the question. To make the perfect cube, we have to divide by 3, because this 3 is extra. And what is our purpose? Our purpose is to remove the 3 from here. Here we want to the extra number removing. In the case of the division, we have to remove the extra numbers, and in case of the multiplication, we have to complete their triplet. So that is the case only. So if we want to remove 3 from here, so we have to divide by 3, and then only their triplets will be complete, and it will be considered as a perfect cube number. So our answer will be, we have to divide by 3. Okay, very easy. In the second question, I will only tell you what to do. I am not going to write down all the things here. B question C 300. Same prime factorization we have to follow again. I am considering the case of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 10, 2 5 ja 10, 0. So half I will get here. Again even number 2 7 ja 14, 1 0 2 5 ja 10. Right now this is the odd number. Add the digits 7 and 5 12 coming in the table of 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 1 5 3 5 ja 15. Right now this is the square of 5. So see here 300 I can write down 2 into 2 into, actually nothing triplet is complete. Actually I have considered the, what I can say, wrong number. Actually nothing triplet is complete. Okay, no triplet is complete. So this question is actually wrong question I have selected. You will consider, for example, 100. We are saying what is the case of 100. 2 5 ja 10, 0. Here also triplet is not going to be. We can take 200. See here, for the case of 200, we should consider the question wherever at least one triplet should complete. Okay, question I have selected from myself, that is the case. See here, this is the good question. Here the triplet of 2 is going to be complete. See, right now 5 into 5, 5 1 ja. See the structure of 200, 2 into 2 into 2, and after that 5 is not going to complete their triplet. So only one triplet is going to be complete here, that is for the 2. So no is problem from the 2. But 5, it is not completing the triplet, and because it is not completing the triplet, so we have to remove both the 5 from here, and for that I have to divide by again 2 times 5. So what is the answer? For making the perfect cube, we should divide the number by 2 times 5. 5 into 5 means 25. So when we are dividing the number 25, so this both the 5 will be removed from here, and the given number will become the perfect cube number. There are so many questions given in the practice exercise, you should solve them. Okay, right now see the question number 6. Little different question. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. Such kind of the questions are generally asked in the NTNC competition exam. So you should see it. Right now see, this is the question and I have to write down what is the answer. So what is the logic here? Very simple logic. I have told you if the sum of the cube of n natural number, the sum of the cubes of n natural number, it is directly equal to the square of their sum. Square of their sum meaning is that the solution will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Only I have to add all the numbers which are given here. Actually 5, 6, 7, 8 is also there, and only I have to go for their square. So add all the numbers and after that I have to go for the square. Very easy. See here, because the relation is that the cube relation is that the sum of cube of the n natural number, it is equal to the square of their sum. So according to that logic we are solving. 3 here, go for the addition. 3 2 5, 5 1 6, 6 4 10, 10 5 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 7 28, 28 plus 8 36, 36 plus 9 45, 45 plus 10 55. So I will get 55 square, and when I am solving it I am getting my answer. See here, 5 5 25, 2 5 5 25 to 27. I am doing it fast, you can do same. 275 I will get here. 5 7 5 12, 7 to 9 1 10. So 3025 will be my answer. So here I am finishing my lecture. Next time I will solve some more problems. Thank you.